Hello, so it's Bill back again with his wee Royal Enfield Himalayan. Further to my post about the Red Rooster Performance Kit, exhaust and air filter. This is me actually out on the road with the bike. Now this is quite an old GoPro I have and it's mounted in my chest, and I'm not sure how well it will pick the sound. So the object of the ride is to let you hear the exhaust as it's going up and down the gear range, and you can decide for yourself if you like it or not. So we'll go on the bike and we'll ride for a few miles and then we'll get this turned off and see what you think. Fast, that's right, on the go. Car's flashing, I'll slow down to see what's going on. There may be something on the road, but I thought it just like playing these headlights. Stop at this junction here, have a wee look, what we shoot. It's a bad junction, this one, but look at it. There's a brow of a hill there, so we'll watch what's going on with it. Damp here. don't know how well the footage will come out there, but I was probably riding her a bit high up the rev limiter there, but it handled it no problem at all, and the more the bike runs in, the freer it seems to rev anyway. But you can see that the chassis and the tyres coped no problem. There was a mixture of damp surface and some loose central grit on the riding line there, but like I say, the chassis handled it no problem. There was a pothole that I scudded coming around one of the bends, and the long travel suspension seemed to handle that alright. But I'll go back to the house and I'll put this onto the computer and see how the footage has turned out. So that was Bill giving you his opinion on the wee red Rooster performance kit for the Himalaya, being the end can and the air filter. So I'll check out now. Cheers.